Hello, love. We are almost at the end of our alphabet. Today, we are braiding the letter Y. And if you're interested in seeing any other alphabets, I have them all up on my channel now. Just remaining Z, and we are done. I am also done with numbers from 0 to 9. I am so excited and glad that it is over. It has been a while. So, guys, this is pretty easy and straightforward. If you just watch the tutorial, you will get the whole gist. So if you want to see how to make a braided heart shape on a child's hair or on your hair, if you want to see how to braid flowers, if you want to see how to braid a butterfly, just fun designs for hairstyle. If you have a child with a short fussy hair, I have several clients that I recorded their hairstyles, especially those that were coming back, so you can see the different hairstyle I made for a particular child that had short fussy hairstyle, up to like 10 of them, so you can get inspiration for continuous styles for a while. You get what I mean? And if you want to see how to braid the crisscross design, how to braid zigzag, how to braid a snake design, like I have all of that on my channel. If this resonates with you and you think you will find it interesting, please click on the subscribe button so that you'll be informed every single time I post a new video, because I am on fire. Like, I am so ready. I am working so hard at this, and I promise you, you will be entertained. And so far, I think our Y is going easy. Now I am making the leg part of the Y, and I will just braid it down, joining those two braids that I just taught. So this one is among the easiest, but funny enough, it was the most difficult to come up with. For some reason, I was thinking of a Y that was like just one funny shape, but this one is fine. And please share these videos with people who has this alphabet in their name, or people who will not think it is cheesy. Just if you have someone that is willing to have fun on her hair, send this video, share the videos or any of my letters. The person is actually going to find it interesting and will thank you. So be that fun friend, okay? Thank you so much for hanging around. We are almost done when it comes to accessorizing your letters or numbers, because I believe accessorizing them is going to make you stand out. For here, I am using just these golden claps, and I'm just going to use it. You can use braiding strings, beads. If you like my mannequin, the link to get it is in my Amazon shop, which is in my description bar. Check it out. And this is our final result. Very royalty.